Okay, y'all, this is a 2008 F-150, and what is happening is that this vehicle is not shifting. Billy, let me see you up there, you sleep. It's not shifting. Okay, go ahead, take it in, put it in gear, put it in park. Okay, go ahead, run it. Put it in drive. Do you got it in drive? Okay, hold on, it's in drive. Problem we got here, well, this output shaft is not moving. Oh, there, it just moved. Okay. Let me see, where's the output shaft? Yeah. Okay, stop. Go again. Okay, you got the gear commanded is third gear, but it's not shifting. It says that the transmission range is still in park. Okay. Okay. Even though it's moving, it says that it's in park. And you're in drive, right? You're in drive, right? All right. Okay, stop. Okay, go ahead. Running up. The shift solenoids are not moving either. It's not. You just stand on and off. Turbine speed is showing, but it's not shifting. It does show up here though. Gear commanded is third gear. Even though the shift solenoids are not moving. And even though it's saying it's in park. Now we gotta see why it's still saying it's in park. Okay, that's it. We're gonna try to see what's going on. This red or this black F-150, problem was what it was, the neutral safety switch was bad. Okay, and the park was not moving. Okay, go ahead, Billy, go through the gears. Okay, so you get a chance to see that when something is parked, this is the switches, which is digital transmissions range switch 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, is in park now. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. 2 and 1. It's now working. Now put in drive and let's hear it shift. Drive. All right, I'll let you down. This here, the symptoms here was it did not slip, but it did not shift. And it did not throw a code either. So this is something we had to look at the scanner and see that every gear that he put it in, it still said park. Okay, never had this problem ever, but we had it now. All right, Billy, ready to come down? Okay, this is that truck that we were working on with the bad neutral safety switch. Something else that was done here, this was stuck in high. The only thing we had to do was get it to shift, but you see that the 4x4 motor the wire is gone, and we had to make the motor is gone. Now, customer says brother did something to make sure it didn't go in 4x4. I guess this is what he did. Took the motor off and put it in gears, and maybe he cut the wires. I don't know. But you gotta note this.